In a sunlit treehouse, a witty parrot and a shy squirrel rehearse a birthday surprise for their hummingbird friend, using exaggerated wing flourishes and tail flicks to express their nerves. The parrot teases gently, while the squirrel hides a tiny, heartfelt gift, revealing how worry about being left out weighs on both. When the hummingbird arrives, the room bursts with fluttering confetti and warm cheers, and a chorus of chirps and squeaks crowns the moment. Jealousies melt as each animal clumsily hugs and laughs, finding belonging in shared joy. The night ends with soft, glowing lanterns and a promise to always celebrate together.